reason why we like C3 so much and are super focused on our partnership right now is because we know how to accelerate value together. You know, Google has a lot of best-in-class AI technologies already inherent in its products that over billions of people use every day. I think what we want to do and have done with C3 is the ability to integrate our first-party AI solutions into some of your third-party, like into some of your apps, the app layer, if you will. And the whole purpose of that is to really help accelerate value for our customers and really be able to focus on solving a specific business problem. That, for me, is why we are better together. The secret sauce for me is that, you know, it's a very large company mixed with a much smaller company, right? So you guys can move quite quick. You guys can be quite persistent with customers, which I think we as Google need to get better at. We try to de-risk the effort of our customers go through from an AI perspective. And then ultimately we want that value to be seen, realized on a daily basis by our customers so that we can scale together. That's ultimately what I believe the secret sauce is. Google Cloud offers the cloud and compute storage at impressive scales, at costs that very few people can offer. We like to view C3 as a layer that sits right on top and integrates seamlessly with our tech stack. And it solves, each application solves a very specific business need, right? So that is really what I think the merging of the two, where it makes the most sense and where it brings the most value for our customers. Today, I think our customers have business needs that lines of business leaders feel on a daily basis that we need to address. We're not addressing those problems. And I think C3's approach, very McKinsey-esque, very consultative, understanding the bottom, like the most insight, like the critical insights that are needed to solve that problem and approaching it with a data science lens, right? That's the difference between us. And I think showing C3's strength in that side to our sellers has been a big eye-opener for our guys.